Do you know which industry is called the backbone of modern development? Introduction. It is the iron and steel industry. Iron and steel industry is a basic industry. It supports many other industries. It is used in construction and machinery. It requires raw materials like iron ore and coal. Limestone and water are also needed. Major plants are located in India. Jamshedpur is the oldest steel plant. Bhilai and Rourkela are important centers. These plants are located near raw materials. They also need transport and labor. However, the industry faces challenges. Production cost is high. Pollution is also a problem. Iron and steel industry is essential for development. It supports the growth of other industries. Quick revision. Basic industry, raw materials, major plants, importance. Question 1. Why is iron and steel industry called a basic industry? Because it provides raw materials to other industries. Question 2. Name one major steel plant in India. Bhilai Steel Plant. Closing. Next, we will learn about cotton textile industry.